This is video number 3, and I put all of the intro and syllabus videos together in this one assignment. So that will be the first thing that you complete as a part of this course. And so let's go back to the syllabus where we were. And we just read the academic dishonesty statement, which explained what I, the instructor, am expected to do, as well as what you, the student, are responsible for as well. So we are on page 3 of the syllabus, where we have a definition of plagiarism. To plagiarize means to steal and pass off the ideas of or words of another's as one's own work, to use another production without crediting the source, to commit literary theft, to present as new and original an idea or product derived from an existing source. Plagiarism is an act of fraud. All of the following are considered plagiarism: turning in someone else's work as your own, copying words or ideas from someone else without giving credit, failing to put a quotation in quotation marks, giving incorrect information about the source of a quotation, changing words but copying the sentence structure of a source without giving credit, copying so many words or ideas from a source that it makes up the majority of the work, whether you give credit or not. All students at Morehead State University are expected to abide by accepted standards of academic honesty. Academic honesty includes doing one's own work, giving credit for the work of others, and using resources appropriately. Guidelines for dealing with acts of academic dishonesty can be found in the academic catalog. Acts of plagiarism will not be tolerated. Any student committing plagiarism will earn no credit for the plagiarized work. Plagiarism will be reported to the MSU Department of English. Chapter 20 of the Lunsford text provides information on avoiding plagiarism. In addition, online information on this issue can be found via the Purdue Online Writing Lab Act. There will be various places that I put the Purdue Online Writing Lab websites, as it is a wonderful source for MLA formatting, citing sources of all kinds. It is just a really, really good, reliable website that you can use as you are working through this course and actually all of your college courses. Evaluations. Daily participation in class discussions, lectures, online discussion forums, and reading is expected. The following is a brief description of major assignments on which students will be assessed during this course. First, there is a short introduction to academic writing that you will complete, and then here is a list of the essays, and notice that each essay is a hyperlink. So you can click on that hyperlink and it will take you directly to the information page and rubric for those essays. Also, I will create a video tutorial for each of these essays, as well as lecture during our weekly Google Meets. But please take the time to click on each of these essays and read a little bit more about them. Also notice the point values as they increase as the semester continues. You must take an online library research quiz. Again, I will create a lecture video to help you with that research quiz. You will complete weekly discussion board posts and replies when we are on Blackboard. So until our course is on Blackboard, there will be no discussion posts and replies. But when we are on Blackboard, I will post those each week. Most of those will be really short. English 200, on the other hand, will have a weekly discussion board post, and those are more lengthy because they're directly related to your readings. There is a 2-part final exam for this course. The first part is a reading quiz. You will read an article and take a quiz. The second part is a written final exam. Here you have the grading policy for this course. And then the schedule of assignments, or the course calendar. And I have bolded each of the due dates to make that hopefully as easy for you to navigate through as possible and to keep track of when your assignments are due. I highly recommend keeping a calendar, whether it be in your phone or a paper calendar, so that you can write all your due dates for all your different courses that you are taking, so that you do not get behind. If you will take the time to go ahead and fill out a calendar, it will really help you as the semester goes on, not just for this course, but all of your classes. I tried to make all of the big assignments, all the essays due on Thursday night at 10 p.m. And so I thought that that would help you with consistency, as in, when things are due. Now, since the course starts on a Wednesday, the first few things are not due on Thursday night, but on August 30th, December 6th, and then the vocab assignment the week of the 7th or the 13th. But after that, all the essays are due on Thursday night at 10 p.m. And so then that next on Monday, we'll talk about the essays. We'll make sure that everybody's on the right page, and then you'll have until Thursday at 10 p.m. to finish those. Notice that each week you have reading to do, and then if there is an assignment, it is bolded with the exact due date. Again, there are 4 essays for this course, and the last essay is your research essay, and it is due during finals week. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the end of the semester. Fall and Thanksgiving break this week, November 23rd and 29th. English 100 library research quiz due by Tuesday before Thanksgiving, which is 11/26 at 11:30 p.m. The last few weeks of class are all dedicated to that research essay, which is due December 3rd at 10 p.m. The final exam reading quiz opens on the 6th at 3:30 p.m. We have to complete the written final exam the week of the 7th or the 9th, and the final exam reading quiz closes Friday, December 9th at 3:30 p.m. So your final is 2-part. Your research essay is due on the 3rd at 10 p.m. And so then the reading quiz closes on the 9th. So let's do the written final exam on Monday. Noon to 2 p.m. So we will meet via Google Meet at noon, and you will have 2 full hours to complete that exam. The written final is an articles and argumentative essay. And you will submit that on Blackboard. And then you will complete the reading quiz by Friday. actually Wednesday, December 9th at 3:30 p.m. If you have any questions about any of those due dates, please feel free to email me.